Winter is coming. I'm Michelle Sterling for Friends of Science Society. Around the world, there are energy crises. In China, blackouts. In Germany, people are preparing for winter without power, how to cook without natural gas, how to light your home without electricity. Power prices are skyrocketing in Europe, in the UK. The UK is verging on blackouts as well. What's happening is that there's an energy crisis of unprecedented dimensions. Not since the 1970s has the world seen something like this. And oddly, this is something that was foretold as a global risk by the World Economic Forum. Back in 2006, they foretold that an oil price shock would be detrimental to the world economy, devastating to the world economy. They also said that a pandemic would be devastating to the world economy. But by 2020, both of these global risks had been removed from the World Economic Forum's list of global risks and replaced with climate change. So now we're in a situation where oil prices are spiking, natural gas prices are spiking, even coal, which is typically price stable over decades, has skyrocketed at least 4 times its regular price in many markets. So this is going to hit everybody in the world because energy is global. It's a global commodity, natural gas, oil, and coal. And if we have the world's supposedly best and brightest as part of the World Economic Forum, why would they not have foreseen this? Why would they not have cautioned the world and prepared the world for such a thing? Or in fact, did they know that this would likely happen? Are these hedge fund managers actually profiting on the poverty and heat or eat poverty of millions of people around the world? Because that's what hedge funds can do. They can capitalize on your distress. So I don't know if that's happening, but I'm going to assume that it is. And we're in for a very difficult winter worldwide. And all of this is actually based on many of the crazy climate policies that have been instituted. For instance, in Europe, in the UK, we brought Dr. Benny Peiser here from the Global Warming Policy Foundation in 2013, and he talked about Europe's climate policy fiasco and heat or eat poverty. He told us then, in 2013, that on Christmas Day, pensioners had to stay in bed on Christmas Day because they didn't have enough money for a festive meal, and they also didn't have enough money to heat their home. It's going to get much worse than that there this year. So we have to look at the crazy climate ideology that has imbued governments around the world with dreams of net zero, because this is what a net zero world means for you. It means heat or eat poverty. It means lack of supply and disrupted supply chains, because as the costs of gas and energy go up around the world, so does the cost of delivering and making every single thing. We have to look at net zero policies in Canada. Now that we've finished our election, let's demand from the government a full cost-benefit analysis of their proposed net zero policies. We can't go through winter without energy, not in Canada. Affordable, reliable energy. For Friends of Science Society, I'm Michelle Sterling.